I have here a hair trimmer. So let's open this up so we can see everything that it comes with. There's some instructions in there. And then with the trimmer, we've got all of the accessories right in here. So here you can see everything that it comes with. It's got a USB charger, a cleaning brush, 2 height adapters right here. It does have a docking station for charging, and then it has 3 different heads that you can use. These 2 here, and then the one that is currently attached. So this is a high performance, powerful motor, so it's going to be able to handle any kind of trimming job that you're going to have. Plus with the 3 different types of heads, you can use it wherever you need to. So this is IPX7 waterproof, so you can easily clean it using the sink. It also is going to be safe to use in the shower if you need to. So with the included charging cable, you can plug it directly into the bottom of the trimmer, or you can plug it into the back of the docking station, just like this, and then when you're ready to charge it, you're just going to drop it onto the docking station and it will charge. So this is going to be perfect to trim any part that you need to. I'm going to use it right now to go ahead and trim down my mustache a little bit. So you can also use it to trim like your beard. I'm going to trim this down a little bit here. You can see it does it really quick and easy without any issues. So to change out the head, you're just going to pull off and then push on the new one. When you need to charge it, just go ahead and drop it down onto the dock. You can see it's now flashing and charging the battery. This hair trimmer is perfect for anybody that needs to do any kind of grooming. It's going to be easy to use. It's got all the different heads for regardless of what kind of trimming you like to do or need to do. It's got everything you need. It's got a nice long battery, a nice powerful motor. So it's going to be perfect for anybody that needs to do some hair trimming.